Yeah, but today, guys, I'm gonna be talking about why 5 reasons why you should be riding a bike. I mean, come on now, it's pretty simple, right? I'm gonna get gas real quick though, and then we can begin. Just gotta get that diesel, hear me? Gotta get that. There's one of the reasons right there why you need to get a bike. I'll go over that. Little colors down there, hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Alright. I think we're ready to get into the topic of today's video, eh? What do you say? So yeah, 5 reasons why you should buy a bike. Alright, so coming in first, obviously it's gonna be because it's fun as shit, dude. Like, what are you doing if you don't have a bike? It's fun as shit, you know. It's like, could be one of your hobbies. It's just a great time, dude. It's just so much fun, dude. Like, you gotta get on one to understand, but yeah. So obviously, like, it's a hobby. Gives you like the speed. I don't know, it's not speed for everyone, but like gives you an adrenaline rush. Especially when you're going fast. So just a fun time all around. All right, so coming in second, baby, we got well, like the biking community. That's a great one. That's a reason alone to get on a bike. The biking community is so cool, dude. Everyone's so dope. You know, like, even when you do these hand gestures when you go by, like, ride safe, bro. Like, that's dope. I like how everyone does that. I hate when people don't do that. Shit's annoying, but like, whatever. The bike community is really cool. Everyone's really cool that I meet. Like, I'm trying to meet more people. So I like riding, just see what you can find, like where you like, just explore places, see who you can find, all that fun shit. So yeah, like even some Harley dudes, you know, like, you know how everyone thinks they're like, they're big badass and shit, you know. Most of them are actually pretty cool. Some cool dudes out there, and yeah, we don't want any of them getting hurt. Like, ride safe, you know. Yeah, there's the sun, baby. Yeah, there's the sun, baby. There it is. There she is. Shine, baby, shine. Yes, sir. Oh, we got a tunnel, and then we'll get on to the third. You have to, dude. You gotta do it. Coming in third, freaking, it's gotta be. Oh, this was up the whole time. My bad. People are gonna get some OCD over that shit. If you can see the tank I'm riding. But yeah, third's gotta be gas. Gas is so. I mean, gas. It's not a big deal. I don't mind like putting gas in my car and shit. But it's so. Like, if you're daily riding a bike, gas is so. Well, I probably fill up my tank. What? Depends how much I ride, but probably like once, twice a week. But even then, you guys saw my gas was like $9 there. So twice a week, that's $18. It's literally nothing. Like I said in the last video, I think it gets like 55 miles per gallon or some shit. It has almost like 3 gallons. I don't know, I have to check back. 2.5, something like that. But yeah, it literally drinks gas so slow. I could be riding for like 2 hours, whatever, and like out of 6 bars, it would drop like just that first one. It's pretty nuts, actually. So yeah, third's got to be gas. Just so damn cheap, and it just drinks gas like so slow. I like the little sidecar. Now what is fourth now, huh? Oh yeah, 4. Dude, it's just an experience that like it's a good experience, like an experience you can't get obviously in a car. It's kind of like doing manual in a car. It's just a different experience. Like it's a cool ass experience, dude. Like And you get to use the clutch. I don't know, just all the controls, all you, baby. You in the cockpit, boy. Just a different experience you can't get like from anything else. I mean, it's 2 wheels, and like especially as the speeds get higher, as the CCs get higher, that's where the shit starts to get nuts. Like you're power wheeling in like freaking first gear, dude, second, third, like that shit's nuts. I know it could be dangerous, but like it is so, riding's just so fun. And like I know there's kids that are out there that can't ride, and yo, I feel you, like, because when I was like 15, 16, I wanted a bike so damn bad, dude. But yeah, you just gotta work, grind, baby, and then shit, make your dreams happen, baby. Let's go. Like, come on. Like, a bike is so much fun, like so much freedom. Just go wherever you want, just explore, you know, just explore wherever. Like, oh my gosh, I can't follow you, dude. So that's 4th, and then 5th. Cinco, baby. Coming in 5th, baby. We got the babes. Duh, you can't leave that one out. You can't leave that one out, baby. Yeah, 5 are the babes, the broads, duh. Like, what? It's them broads. Like, you know, once you get on a bike, you know, you think you're some, you know, you get off your bike somewhere, take the helmet off, you see them babes looking at you and shit. Yo, I have this story one time. I was at oh, where'd I go? I went to Shake Shop, and I was going to get ice cream, and I parked my bike there, and there are these girls sitting next to me. I got off my bike, and they came over. They're like, yo, can you give me a ride? Like 2s. I'm like, sorry, dude, I got a girlfriend. I don't got a girlfriend, but like, you know, I had to say something, bruh. I was like, she'll beat my ass. But yeah, you guys get it. You get them babes. So those are pretty much 5 reasons. I can go over it for you guys. First, we had like basically just the thrill of riding. You know, a lot of fun. So you make it your hobby. Like, come on, dude, this shit's so fun. 2, I don't know if this would be in exact order, I don't really remember. I got like dementia or something. 2, gas, so cheap, dude. Can't even go wrong with gas, especially if you live somewhere where it doesn't rain or snow or anything. You can daily ride all the time. 3, oh shit, green. 3, we have just like, it's a different experience that like you obviously can't get. You can't get anywhere else. I mean, it's 2 wheels, baby, so different experience, fun ass experience. So if you haven't gotten on a bike, get on one. You got to. And 5th, we got the broads. Yo, them broads, baby. But yeah, seriously, guys, if you don't have a bike, like, seriously, like, and if you're thinking, like, if you don't have one and you're thinking about getting one, like, totally do it, dude. I've said this before, like, hey, he's got a 650. But yeah, if you don't have a bike and you're thinking about getting one, you're on the edge, like, totally get it, dude. Just pull that fucking trigger. I guarantee you won't regret it. Just ride, start on a low CC if you want. Take a safety course if you want, make you feel better. But all that. So I know, probably one of the best decisions I've made is getting a bike, dude. It's so much fun. But yeah, so yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Always comment down below, and then please subscribe, baby. But yeah, hope you guys like the video, and over and out. Ride safe.